Okay, guys, it's official and we are live. This is Marlon O Bennett, guys. Today's video, I want to talk about a new system that I've just locked into and that I'm very excited about. And I want to invite everybody who's so inclined to watch in and listen in on this tonight, guys, because this is, in my mind, a game changer. We're making money from home, working on the internet, either online or offline, actually. This is really, in my mind, a game changer. And so tonight, what I want to talk about, guys, is the new system that I'm involved with, where you actually are going to be able to eliminate your bills and create residual income. Now, the creator of this system, Dominique Barbie, and my particular sponsor, Ontarian Hawkins, have been doing a series of videos on YouTube. Maybe you guys are familiar with it already, but I have just really beside myself just in terms of the power of what the average person is going to be able to accomplish here, right? And so in a couple of prior videos, I was talking about, the one-off sale and how they're great. But now, guys, we're talking about residual income. We're talking about income that can actually grow exponentially. And what I mean is, this is income that you will actually be able to earn every single person that you introduce the system to. But the exponential growth component means that you can earn not only on your particular effort, guys, but through the efforts of everybody that you introduce the system to. And I think Dominique Barbie has outdone herself in terms of putting this thing together. And of course, Ontarian, you know how he is, right? And the guy's incredible. And so tonight, what I want to talk about is the fact that everything that you need to get started in this business is there, guys. Okay, we talk about all types of internet marketing training for both online and offline. Incredible support. We got a Facebook group here, guys. Okay, you guys are going to be afforded a replicated website. I mean, everything that you really truly need to get up and running and to operate your own business, and with the potential, incredible potential, to actually eliminate all your bills. And I say eliminate all your bills, and I know everybody has bills, but you can use the money for whatever you want to use it for, right? But you're going to be able to introduce this system to other people, and who doesn't have bills that they want to get rid of? And that's what makes this system so different in my mind. And so I'm going to be focusing a lot of my effort as we move into the fall season, guys, and beyond, on promoting this, guys, because in my mind, right, I promoted a lot of different opportunities, right? And I've seen a lot of them come and go. I've seen a lot of opportunities similar to the way this system is built, but not quite like it, right? And so I'm imagining in my mind, and what I want you guys to imagine in your mind, if and when you decide to join and become a member, guys, is just being able to introduce the system to just 25 people, right? 25 people, and after you're qualified, and you guys are going to learn all this in a video that I'm going to leave below in the YouTube description there. 25 people after you're qualified coming into the system, paying you just $100 a month, guys, right? Just $100 a month. And this is before the full potential of the system kicks in, you know what I mean? But you're going to learn more about that. But the reason I'm so excited about this is because if you can get 25 people you can introduce the system to pay you $100 a month, imagine, guys, if you could get 50 people a month paying you $100, or 75 people paying you $100. And I'm using $100 because that's the lowest level. That's the introductory level you come in on this system with. So yes, I'm very, very pumped up and excited about it. This is the first official video. Well, you guys have seen me putting videos up on YouTube. They're probably going to be sprouting up all over the place, guys, because I've been putting them up. I'm doing a lot of editing in the videos, but lots of excitement going on, guys, inside the Facebook group. Lots of excitement going on inside this actual system. People are fired up because I believe the reason why is, when we think about the one-off sale, you have to go out, and no matter how many one-off sales you make, if you don't have systems in place, or you're not a part of a system or a program or a business opportunity, it doesn't have residual income rolled into it, guys, then that means no matter how many one-off sales you make, you still got to go back out and start that process all over again, making those one-off sales. but not with this system, guys, okay? And you're going to learn a lot more about how this works and why you really need to jump in here, guys. I mean, with excitement, enthusiasm, motivation, and know that this is something that, again, absolutely anyone can do. And you guys oftentimes hear me saying, if you can show enough people how to get what they want in life, then you can also get what it is you want in life. And I can't think of a single person, guys, that I know that doesn't want to eliminate more of their bills, okay? And so what better place to be? What better system to lock into than one that's going to allow you to be able to do that, to be able to eliminate your bills and earn residual income at the same time. Without taking any more of your time, guys, there's going to be a link below in the YouTube video description area. I want you guys to take a look at the system. If you have any questions about anything, you'll find all my contact information on the actual website that I just finished really building out. And some really incredible things bonuses I'm actually going to throw in for everybody that joins. But I can tell you guys, it's a great time to be an entrepreneur. It's a great time to be looking for ways to actually be able to realistically speak your own success into existence. So I'm super pumped and super excited. I want to invite everybody within earshot of the video to go down and click the link below in the YouTube video description area. Watch, listen, and learn how you may be able, right, if you're so inclined, get in here, guys, and make some things happen, okay? I appreciate you guys being on the video so very much. I thank you. Again, if you have any questions for me, guys, just feel free to reach out with me or to me. You'll find all my contact information in the YouTube video description area, as well as the web page or the website that you guys will actually find when you're redirected to it. So thanks so very much, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video, okay? As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and hope to hear from you soon.